is under his blanket. Ethan's under his blanket. So, you okay? Huh? I said Ethan's under his blanket. It is 6:19, and I'm loving how empty the roads are. Hey guys, so we just arrived. We're very early, so I just want to see if they will let us check in a little bit early. But it's gorgeous, so check in a second.
What? Look at that! Look at this place!
Come here, Ethan. You see the pool? Cool. Hi.
This door. That's the pool. That's the pool.
boys' bathroom, super big sink, toilet, and then this is the boys' room. And then this bathroom is kind of like their bathroom at home where it's 2 entrances. So, as you saw, I just got finished spraying everything down. So now I'm just going to get us a little bit more comfortable. So I'm glad we got to do the pool today because I feel like we utilized the full day and we've already done a ton. Like even before we got checked in, and it just makes me feel like Thursday was a full day. So like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday is like gonna go by a lot slower, I guess. But yeah, so we're just relaxing a little bit. It's 3:37. We're all still kind of full from what we had for lunch. So yeah. Hey guys, so we just got back from Trader Joe's. I'm just going to show you very quickly what we got. Bananas, some pineapple juice, ice cream, more ice cream. This is the matcha green tea ice cream. This is the wild berry cheesecake ice cream. And then this is the mango sorbet. And then some cooking spray. And it's one more bag. Ethan picked this up. These citrus mousse cakes. They look kind of good, honestly. More pineapple juice. Some eggs. I got a kombucha. And 2 bags of these roasted potatoes. So this is going to be breakfast for us tomorrow. And then, yeah. So, also stopped at the liquor store. Just got some Moscato. So, yeah. That is our little haul. And tonight we're just going to hang out. Eat leftovers from our food earlier. It was so good. The bread is so fresh. These little garlic knots, they made them in house.
I want to try it.
So here, Ethan, here.
Is that what happens? It's like we don't need this anymore.
Okay, go sit down.
I just want bread.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a piece because I don't want you to waste it. Here.
What is it eating?
Literally, I will go back there just to get like some bread and like marinara sauce. The bread is so good. Hey guys, so I'm back. Looking like yesterday is actually day 2. We made breakfast with the boys. So we just had some potatoes from Trader Joe's and fruit and eggs. And also went to 7-Eleven and got coffee and donuts. So that was our little spread. I was too ravenous to actually show you, so I know that's a bad vlogger. Now I am getting ready to take a shower and put clothes on. Today, I'm so annoyed because at the beginning of the week when I checked the weather for the end of the week here, it was like blue skies, sunny every single day. But it's actually going to rain today starting around 3 o'clock. So I am going to, I've already given the boys, well, I gave Ethan a bath. Xavier took a shower, he's dressed. Now I'm about to take a shower and get dressed and we're gonna go to this place that has like go-karts and little mini roller coasters, and they do have some outdoor things, but they also have indoor things. So they open at 12. So we're gonna go and we're gonna try to knock out everything that's outside before the rain starts, and then we'll move on to the inside stuff and do like all the inside stuff, you know, later. So we don't get stuck in the rain and we can enjoy everything that they have to enjoy that is outside. And originally we wanted to do Busch Gardens, but if I was gonna do it, I would have done it yesterday, and it just didn't work out that way. So it's fine. They had a great time in the pool, as you guys saw. So yeah, so I'm gonna get ready and get dressed. I love, sorry, hold on, let me, okay. I love this little vanity area in this room. So like, I can just sit here and get dressed. Like, there's my coffee there. So when I get out the shower, I'm gonna like get dressed. I normally don't wear makeup on trips like this, but I feel like I need to apply makeup, and I brought my makeup just in case we did something fancy. So I feel like I need to put makeup on, like, you know, like no makeup, but still makeup, because like I have this whole like situation here. It must be utilized. So I'm gonna take a shower and I will talk to you guys. Oh, look at that, look at that. Why do you have your shoes on?
Because where are we going?
We gonna go to the place.
We're going to the place?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the place.
I'm going to play too.
Okay, so you watch your tablet and mommy's gonna get dressed so we can go to the place. Okay? So there's Ethan's outfit minus the Crocs and white socks. It's gonna have some black on. Can I see your shirt? Let me see. Cute. His whole outfit is from Nordstrom Rack. So before I get in the shower, I wanted to show you this body wash that I got from Victoria's Secret. I actually had a gift card that I needed to use, and I figured this would be a good time to get something a little special for vacation. So I got this cream body wash, and I also got the matching lotion. In my experience with Victoria's Secret lotions, they don't always moisturize the best. So I do have my Nivea lotion. Xavier actually used it. And then I have this one, which I use very sparingly because it's kind of expensive, but it's like something special to use on vacation. So yeah, I mean, I have a ton of other stuff too, but this is just me being excessive and an overpacker. My name is Taylor and I am an overpacker. Okay, so we just got finished with the water blaster ride, and Xavier is literally drenched. Like this is all water in his hair. How do you feel? Are you refreshed?
No, I am very sad.
Look at his look. Oh my god. He got stuck. He got stuck under the, what do you call it?
Geyser. I got stuck under it and
And he
I got
couldn't-
all soaking wet.
and
I
he
couldn't get out.
Ethan rolled with me, so he's pretty dry. I'm pretty dry, but Xavier is drenched.
You got wet too.
I got wet, but not as wet as you. You're like soaking wet.
How did it feel to go under the geyser?
So now we're gonna go on this. Ethan is gonna be my passenger, and Xavier's gonna drive by himself. Do you see? Well, I hope you can drive by yourself. Oh, you may not be tall enough to drive by yourself. We'll see. We'll ask him. Woo. Come on. All right, you gotta go up and around. Up and around. Ethan, come here. Up. Up. What? All right, Ethan, your turn. Come on. Good job.
Yeah!
Oh!
No! Would have been so perfect. And then he just
All right, next hole. Come on.
breakfast crab cake, breakfast burrito. Wait, am I on the brunch menu? I don't want to be on the brunch menu. Brunch.
Okay, now we are walking. Slow down, please. Slow down, please. We are walking over to the pool.
I can go up those stairs, no problem now, because I had dogs that were going
Ethan got his vest.
Ethan won't be distracted. Well, we got 3 more.
I should have brought my sunglasses.
Give me 2 more. Look, they're playing ping pong.
Here's what I'm looking like. Swimsuit of the evening. And the boys have on. Xavier's is kind of mismatched today because his other swim bottoms weren't completely dry. Ethan. Those swim shorts are actually from the thrift store that Ethan has on. So
Those are mine. Those are ones mine. I just realized.
No, they weren't. I got those from the thrift store. So we are headed into. Go ahead, pay attention when you're walking.
Ethan, your crafts are.
On the wrong feet.
I just noticed that.
All right. I have to put my mask on so we will see you when you
protect your-
are inside.
from the sun.
It smells good.
Wait, not put
You
my
can kind of see my
my swim pants together.
swim outfit.
Look at the fireflies.
I know.
Fireflies.
Can you see the fireflies?
They're everywhere.
Yeah, you can see them. So we are headed back to the room. Wow, look at the sky.
Wait, do the females have?
Come on this side,
Do the
Ethan.
females have lights?
I don't know the difference. It's something you can look up. So we had a blast.
Yeah, but now we're walking home drenched.
We're walking home drenched.
Why is that everything about vacation?
Yeah, I was telling Xavier that walking back to your hotel room from the pool soaking wet in your pool clothes is like
outside?
it's like that is the full meaning of vacation. Like, it feels like vacation. It just feels like you're on vacation when you do that. Right, Ethan?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
I barely went underwater, even though I have. Can't wait. I can't wait. Damn. I thought they were just like little lights. Like that's it. I thought they were just little lights. So
Oh, yeah.
They were really small. So all you can see is their.
Go ahead, Spider-Man.
That's Spider-Man. You know what? That's so attractive because they think that's the light of the female, and they're trying to like get her.
Oh.
Get the females.
Okay, go. Come on, walk. Come on, Ethan. Down here. His towel is from Target. I'll try to find it and link it. Xavier's towel is from Target last year. And I have no idea where my towel is from. This is just like a collection over the years. But he got his recently. Morning, guys. Well, I'm getting the boys' toothbrushes set up. That is mango sorbet. So don't be alarmed. It's ice cream. Oh. 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 Guys, it's beach day. Come on. So, this is what I have on. Really, you know I'm not supposed to have this on, but I figured, like, so I'm not totally out there. I have on this orange swimsuit today for the beach day. I've gotten a little bit of color. Don't you want to go to the beach?
I just want to take one nap.
You want to take one nap?
Yes.
Okay. Take one nap, okay?
Night.
Okay, good night. I got up early and packed up all of the beach towels. I actually washed all of the beach towels last night. And packed those up. So let me get all of this sunscreen. So we have this one and masks. I need to pack my little shorts that I've been wearing to cover up the booty because it's a little bit too much. And you know, when you have little kids around water, you're doing a lot of bending over. So now we're at Jamestown Beach Event Park. You got your bucket, Ethan? Ethan has his bucket.
What if the Siri
Got it? Okay. just went to the concession stand. The boys got hamburgers and hot dogs. I didn't get anything. Yes, I did. Yes, Ethan. We're gonna eat at our umbrella. All right. I love Ethan's little tan he's got going. So yeah.
I got good.
In your shoes?
Yes.
You having fun?
Yes.
Where are you?
Right here.
Are you at the what?
The beach.
You're at the beach?
Yes.
What are you doing at the beach?
Playing.
You are?
Yeah.
Cool. I like you.
How am I going?
Okay. We're gonna go sit back down and eat. Xavier walked ahead of us. Look at the sky. It's so beautiful. We are back in the room from our beach day. I'm sorry I didn't get a ton of footage, but as you can imagine, wrangling the two kids with the water and like going back and forth and getting snacks and drinks, and it was a lot. So I got as much footage as I could, but the boys had a blast, like such a good time. We will definitely be going back to that particular beach park situation again. Now it is our last night here, so we're gonna go to a little bit of a nicer dinner. The boys have on khaki shorts and nice tops, and I'm going to put on one of the sundresses that I packed. I don't know which one yet, so I'm gonna hop in the shower. Xavier's in the shower now. I already gave Ethan a bath and he's dressed out in the living room watching his tablet. So yeah, so that is what I'm doing, and I will see you when I am getting cute. All right, so I just poured the rest of the Moscato that I have in this cup. So I'm going to take this into the shower with me and get ready with it. So cheers to the mothers. All right guys, I'm all dressed. Sorry I didn't show you the process. Went up. I think a ponytail. Or do we want a bun? I think a bun is cute. Maybe we'll just leave the bun. Yeah. We'll just leave the bun. As you can see, I just did very simple makeup. Just a little bit of powder. I filled in my brows a little bit and did mascara, and then yeah, as you can see behind me, but look at my tan. Like oh my god, it's like serious. And that side is a little red. Whoa, that never happens. And I put on sunscreen. Maybe I missed a spot. But anyway, well, let me show you the boys. They look so cute. You can't really see Xavier's outfit. He has on a pink striped shirt and some shorts that are similar to Ethan's, but they're gray. But anyway.
If I'm dying.
All right, come on, guys.
You're coming with me.
Come on. everything out of the car. Call me crazy, but I'm just not ready for the vacation vibes to end. So I think I'm gonna take the boys to the pool after I take everything inside because they have been sleeping so good at night because of the water. And I just think it's a really hot day today, and why not? So we'll see how I feel once I get finished lugging all of this stuff inside. And yeah, best decision, wow, got really dark. Best decision you will ever make is to make sure your house is clean when you leave, because when you come back, everything is clean, and it almost feels like you're walking into another hotel room. You know how like when what is it called? Girl, look at my chin. That's from all that vacation food. Oh, the boys are settling into their room. You feel like you're walking back into another hotel room because everything is clean. You know, the beds are made, everything is vacuumed, and it smells really good in here too. It doesn't smell stale. And the good thing about my apartment is that I can control the AC from my phone. So I turned the AC off before we left, but I turned it back on when we were on the way back. So it can be nice and cool when we got back in here. Yep. Are you back home?
Yeah.
Guys, I want to go back on vacation, but I need to lose 10 pounds all over again because we ate so much. I'm literally scared to step on a scale. Look at my face, it's so puffy. So I'm going to start the diet right now. Huh?
Diet.
Cute.
No.
His hair is so dry because he's been in the pool and we've been washing and like putting stuff in, but then he'll get right back in the pool.
Can you help me like this?
I need some Botox.
Can you help me? How to do this?
Do what?
How to do this?
What?
Like this.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I am going to take everything that is sectioned off as being dirty out of my suitcase. So I just put all my dirty clothes in these plastic bags. Same with the boys, and I'm gonna throw those in the wash before we go. I did do one load of laundry while we were at the condo hotel situation. So some stuff is already clean, like their swimsuits that they wore the first night.
What's his name?
Robin.
What's his name?
Spider-Man. I'm so glad I actually took tomorrow off as well. So I have time to like get my life together before having to sign back into work. Yes. He told me to turn the camera around. I am getting your dirty clothes out of your suitcases. So here's the boys' toiletry bag. So just throwing the shoes into the entryway. I'll organize them later. And here's their one dirty clothes basket out of Xavier. One dirty clothes basket. Dirty clothes bag out of Xavier's suitcase. And since it's a Monday, the pool should be pretty empty. What time is it? Oh, my watch is dead.
Mommy,
Yes, here.
do you know mosquito bite on it because it keeps on itching.
Yeah, it does.
Why does it keep on itching? Why do mosquito bites even itch anyway?
I know. Just take the blood and go, right? Why do you have to make it itch?
Mommy, what are you doing?
Here's the second
Says
dirty clothes.
Says it's some complicated liquid that they inject into your thing, so the body thinks that no blood has been taken. And that makes your skin crazily itch.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. The more you know. Fun facts with Xavier. Once again,
Ow.
he needs a little theme song.
I
So,
don't think that's actually true, but I guess.
Alexa, why do mosquito bites itch?
When a female mosquito bites you, her saliva serves as an anticoagulant so that she can consume your blood more easily. Your immune system responds to this foreign substance by producing histamines, which make the blood vessels near the bite's
close.
Yeah. This the crazy liquid they inject is her saliva.
Kidding me? Why would the mosquito purposely make me itch?
Nita Baba.
Why do they purposely?
Look at the. Oh my goodness.
I wonder why.
Oh.
They do that on
You're
purpose.
not itchy.
They just itch you on. They make you itch on purpose.
You put this in your bathroom.
I might as well itch this guy out here.
I
Itch even more.
You itchy?
Yeah. Oh, itchy right here. You just bite me.
Oh my baby. My babies. Hey guys, so I'm going to end the vlog, but we just came back from the pool, so I'm like actually drenched. So, quick story. We went to across the street to Five Below to get this floaty because we were going to go to the pool. I told you guys that earlier. As soon as we checked out at Five Below, the power went out. Like as soon as we checked out, the power went out. All in that shopping center. And I was concerned because the shopping center isn't that far from where we live. So we drove back home and sure enough, the power was out. So then I got a text message from our like utility company that does the power, and they were like, there's been an outage, and I'm like, I see. Okay, so we just went to the pool as normal. Luckily the kiddie pool wasn't closed. The big pool was closed because the pump could not open. Here, Ethan. The pump could not circulate the chlorine through the pool to maintain. And Ethan wants to show you his toy, but he also doesn't have any clothes on.
I had this.
And he has that. So the big pool wasn't open because they couldn't circulate enough chlorine throughout the pool. So, but the kiddie pool was open, thank goodness. So we just stayed in the kiddie pool for like 2 hours, and when we came back home, the power was back on. So now we're just going to shower, and actually I put a little laundry in, and we're just going to get our lives back intact. Ethan threw all of his beach toys all over the floor, so we're just going to end the vacation vlog here. I'm actually thinking about our next little adventure, so stay tuned for that. You guys know I'm trying to like be a little more spontaneous this summer, so many more staycations to come. We will see you in the next vlog. Bye.